So this is a video of my crayfish eating a carrot. I just threw a few vegetables in there. I threw the carrot in there. He seems to like that, and a little piece of broccoli. He's not really touching that, but I just blanched the vegetables real quickly. Of course, rinse them, and they came frozen in the bag. They were just natural. There was no salt or anything added to them, so he seems to be really liking that carrot. Okay, this is gonna take a while, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll be posting more videos very soon.